The COVID-19 pandemic has rendered academic year 2020-2021 a year unlike any other. While some of our students and staff will be studying and working remotely, others have returned to our beautiful campus, and several measures have been put in place to ensure their safety.
Our safety measures begin at the entrance to the campus with temperature checks and the recording of all persons entering the compound. Customer service units and offices are equipped with plexiglass screens, which provide separation between staff and others, while hand sanitizing stations are located across the campus to support frequent hand cleansing.
The wearing of face masks covering both nose and mouth is mandatory for students, staff, and visitors, and those found in breach of the protocols can be removed from the compound. The wearing of student and staff ID cards is being strictly enforced, and ID cards will be required for entry into teaching complexes and other designated buildings as a key element of our smart contact tracing solution.
To help facilitate contact tracing on campus, we've designed a mobile app designed to log the entry of staff and students to various departments and spaces on campus. The idea is that through that one app, all the information will be fed into one data store, and that would allow us to be able to very quickly and efficiently trace all the various spaces and places that a person who we may have to investigate as having possibly been infected with COVID-19. Being able to locate exactly where all the spaces that person has visited and all the other persons who may need to be tested as a result.
Clearly marked seating in classrooms and labs and other bold signage reflect our reduced capacity as we strictly enforce 6 feet of physical distancing in all communal spaces. And this signage signals the separation of entrances and exits in designated buildings.
At Cave Hill, entrances to buildings may be restricted because of our safety protocols. You should enter only where you see the sign. The number of persons in any one space will be restricted. Remember, check your room capacity. Because of our 6 feet distance protocol, seating in lecture theaters is restricted. Sit only where you see the sign.
From restricting elevator use to a maximum of 2 persons at a time, and bright flow decals to manage spacing in queues, to daily cleaning and disinfection of teaching spaces, offices, and common spaces, with twice daily cleaning for frequently touched surfaces such as handrails, door handles, buttons, and knobs. Your campus is sparing no effort to safeguard our community.
So we placed a number of signs across the campus, and these signs are used to remind persons of the health protocols. And the protocols include sanitizing your hands regularly, wearing a mask over your nose and mouth, and also maintaining that physical distance of 6 feet.
So welcome, or welcome back to the Cave Hill campus, home of the Blackbirds. Safety by one equals safety for all. Have a remarkable year.